Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to see auto add LinkedIn leads to FluentCRM. So I'm running a business. With the help of LinkedIn, I'm capturing all the leads. I want that whenever I receive a new lead from LinkedIn, it should be automatically created as a contact in my FluentCRM. Now doing this manually will consume a lot of my time, and that's why I've completely automated this entire process using Pabbly Connect. Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which requires no coding or programming skills. Here I'll just build connection between LinkedIn and FluentCRM. With the help of Pabbly Connect, I'm going to build this connection in such a manner that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead from LinkedIn, I'm automatically and instantly going to create this as a contact in my FluentCRM. Now, if you want to learn the step-by-step process, then let me take you all to my screen. So here I've created this automation workflow. We are quickly going to test this automation workflow once, whether it is working right or not. For that, I've created the connection between LinkedIn and FluentCRM. We are quickly going to generate a lead in my lead gen form in LinkedIn, and then if that contact is created in my FluentCRM, this is going to show us the connection setup which we have created is working fine. Now here, as I'm running the campaign in draft mode, I get to fill two details. I'm going to enter some test details here. current@pabblytudes.com is my email address, and then I'm going to enter my phone number as this one. After entering these details, I'm going to click on this submit, and here as soon as the form submission is done, this lead should be created. I'm going to open my FluentCRM and I'm going to refresh this page once. So here it is, we have created this current@pabblytudes.com. The name was Pabbly Subscription Billing Management Service. The email address which we entered was current@pabblytudes.com. 83831 was the phone number which we added. And that's it. So this is how this automation workflow is going to run. And now if you also want to learn how you can create this from scratch, let's start creating this from the beginning. Welcome to my screen everyone. In this video, we are going to see how we can instantly and automatically add all the leads which we have captured from LinkedIn to my FluentCRM, and for this I'm simply going to build connection between FluentCRM and LinkedIn using Pabbly Connect. So this is the landing page of Pabbly, and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com in your browser. Now on the top right corner, we have two options: sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on the sign in, and if you are a new user, click on the sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. You can use these 100 tasks and check whether it fits your business or not, and when you feel ready to upgrade, you can use this code SHUBPC to get maximum benefits on your Pabbly purchase. Now as I'm an existing user, I'll click on the sign in, and here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. I'll click on this Pabbly Connect, access now. And here it has taken me towards this dashboard where I will be able to find all my workflows over here and all the folders which I have created over here. If you want to create a new folder, simply click on this plus icon, and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow, for which I need to click on this create workflow, and I need to select my workflow builder. We have this new beta, which is modern, faster and more flexible one. Then we have this classic, which is a stable and a familiar approach. I'll select this new beta, and then I'll name this as auto add LinkedIn leads to FluentCRM. And now I'm going to select my folder. Now these are the folders which have been created. I'm going to select it as LinkedIn automations and then click on create. So here workflow created successfully. Now as soon as I click on create, you will see one box will appear in front of me. Here it is, where I need to enter my trigger application. So trigger here is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger step in a workflow, but as many as action steps as you want. Here in this workflow, I want that whenever I receive a new lead from LinkedIn, it is automatically added to my FluentCRM, which is a plugin of WordPress, which means whenever I'm going to receive a new lead from LinkedIn, this complete workflow here will get triggered, because trigger basically activates or triggers any workflow. Here in my trigger application, I will be taking LinkedIn, and following this trigger application in my action application, I will be taking FluentCRM. So here in my trigger application, let me take LinkedIn. And in my trigger event, I'm going to select it as need notification and then click on connect. If you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection, then click on this connect with LinkedIn. You just need to enter your credentials, after which you have to grant away the permissions, and the connection will be created successfully. Now here I have already created this connection multiple times. I have already existing connection. I'm going to select the existing connection and then save this. You will see LinkedIn will be connected to Pabbly Connect, and now I need to enter the sponsored account. If I open my LinkedIn, you can see that I have two sponsored accounts. I'm working on this Pabbly's ad account, so I have selected that. After selecting the sponsored account, we have to click on the save and send test request, and you will see it will change to waiting for webhook response. And now I need to do a test submission in order to capture this webhook response here in this workflow. Now in order to capture this response, I am going to do a test submission. So for that, I am going to open my LinkedIn, and over here I am running a campaign in draft mode. I am going to open this where I have created the lead generation form. So I am going to open this and I am going to generate a lead. Now as I generate this lead, I should receive that response in this workflow, and this is going to show me the connection setup which we have created is working fine. I'm going to click on the supply now. So here this form has appeared in front of me where I'm going to enter some dummy details. As this is not a live campaign, I get to fill only 2 fields, but when you will be running a live campaign, your leads will get to fill all these fields. Here my fields are auto-filled of this first name, last name and the company name, which is first name is Pabbly, last name is Subscription Billing Management Service, and the company name is Magnet Brains. Here I'm going to enter some dummy details. I will enter my email address as test123@pabblytudes.com, and then I will enter my phone number as this. I'm going to click on the submit. As soon as I click on the submit, I should be able to capture all these details which I've just filled in this lead gen form in my workflow. I'm going to open my workflow, and here I have captured this response. So you see the email address which we entered was test123@pabblytudes.com. The phone number which we entered was this 8484. The name was Pabbly, last name was Subscription Billing Management Service, and the company was Magnet Brains. So here as soon as I have done this form submission, I've captured that response in this workflow, and this shows the connection setup which we have created between Pabbly Connect and LinkedIn that is successful. And now whenever there will be new lead, I will start capturing that response here in this workflow. Moving on towards the next step, whenever I receive a new lead, I want to add that to my FluentCRM. I'm going to take my action application as FluentCRM, and in my action event, I'm going to select it as create a contact and then click on connect. If you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection. And now to make this connection, I need to enter the username and the password of my WordPress and then this site URL. So here it is written, enter your site URL. Please provide the complete publicly accessed site URL, including this HTTPS, and then exclude this WP admin or WP login.php example. This is the site URL. Please set this up before proceeding. So over here, if I open my WordPress, on the top where I can see this URL, I'm going to copy and paste that over here, but it is written that I have to remove this WP. So I'm going to remove this WP admin, and I'm going to keep this https:/paytovault.com. This has become my site URL. I'll enter my username and the password here. After entering all these details, I'm going to click on the save, and you will see FluentCRM will be connected to Pabbly Connect, and here it is. So here I have received the response. Now I need to enter these details so as to create this as a contact. Now I'm not going to enter this like this manually. Instead, I'm going to use a method called mapping, which means I'm going to enter the data from the previous response. I have received the response from this LinkedIn, and when I click on this field, I can see this LinkedIn. When I click on this, I can see all the response which I have received from there. I'll enter my first name as Pabbly, the last name as Subscription Billing Management Service, the email address as test123@pabblytudes.com, the phone number as this 8484. In the date, I am not going to enter anything. I have not received the response. The status will be subscribed. I have also not received the address, city, state, postal code, country, tags list. These fields are not required ones, so I'm going to skip this. But if you have received the response, you can enter following the same process of mapping. Now over here, mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in this field. Manually entering the data will make this field static, and the information will not change even when you receive the new response. Over here, if I manually enter any detail, this field will become static, and every time I receive a new response, the result will not change. So as to keep this field dynamic, we use this process mapping instead of manually entering the details. Here I have entered all the details which are required to create this contact by mapping of all the details which I have received. After entering all these details, I'm simply going to click on the save and send test request. Let's wait for the response. And here I have received the response, successfully added the subscriber contact ID. I am going to open my WordPress, and on the left hand side where you can see this FluentCRM, I'll go towards the contacts. So here we can see that we have created this test123@pabblytudes.com. If we open this, we can say the name was Pabbly Subscription Billing Management Service. The email address was this test123@pabblytudes.com, and the phone number which we entered was this. Now to summarize, we took LinkedIn as a trigger application where we made connection with Pabbly Connect. We received the new lead, and then we wanted to add that to FluentCRM. We took Fluent as an action application, made connection with Pabbly Connect, entered all the required details, executed this workflow, and finally created this as a contact in my FluentCRM. So this is how this automation workflow is going to run, and here we have successfully created automation between this LinkedIn and FluentCRM using Pabbly Connect. I have attached the link of this workflow in the description so that you can check this out, and you can stay tuned to our channel for learning more such interesting automation. Before you go, if you plan to upgrade, do not forget to use the code SHUPC to get maximum benefits on your Pabbly purchase. I hope you liked this video and understood this video very well. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.